Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to screen record on Windows. First, open up your web browser and search OBS download on the search bar. Click on the first link and then click on Download Installer. Once the download is complete, open up the setup. Click on Next. Then again click on Next. Select the location where you want to install the application. Then click on Install. Once it is done installing, click on Finish. It will open up OBS Studio. Then click here on the plus icon and choose Display Capture as the option. Click on OK. You can choose from here whether you want your mouse cursor in the recording or no. Then click on OK. After that, by clicking here on Start Recording, OBS will record your entire screen. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.